Well, our nominees this year come from every corner of the country, each selected through a very rigorous and a transparent process as well. And today they will be felicitated by the Honourable Minister himself.
Also, a heartfelt thank you to our knowledge partner, EY India, for their dedicated work in shortlisting these remarkable individuals.
Well, our winners have been chosen by some of the brightest, most respected minds in the nation. We extend our deepest gratitude to our grand jury for their commitment and discernment in recognizing these amazing change makers. So let's begin the award ceremony.
And now it's time to begin the Amazing Indians 2025 Awards. May I invite jury member Neerja Birla to join the minister on stage for the first award presentation.
The first category tonight is going to be that of agriculture. Agriculture, after all, is the heartbeat of India, sustaining our economy, feeding our people, and carrying forward a rich heritage of resilience and innovation.
Tonight, our first award celebrates an amazing Indian who has transformed lives through his tireless work in sustainable farming and rural empowerment.
May we have the nominees, please?
In the category of agriculture, the nominees are Akshay Srivastav. Akshay, a chemical engineer from a farming background, funded LCB Fertilizers to revolutionize soil health through biotech innovation. Recognized by the MSME Ministry and IITs, his decentralized model operates across 25 plus sites, converting agri-waste into value across continents. Padam Kumar Jain. Padam Kumar Jain, an Ashoka green change maker and visionary leader, pioneers transformative climate-resilient agriculture, empowering thousands of women farmers through indigenous seed conservation, innovative technologies, and sustainable livelihoods. His groundbreaking work has garnered global accolades and ignited a rural revolution. Ram Prasad Sarkar. Ram Prasad Sarkar has devoted over 35 years to revolutionizing the Sundarbans. His pioneering initiatives have empowered hundreds of farmers to adopt salt-tolerant rice varieties, enhancing incomes by 25 to 30%. Sarkar's grassroots initiatives have significantly improved livelihoods, food security, and environmental health for countless families.
And the Times Now Amazing Indians Award 2025 in the category of agriculture goes to Mr. Ram Prasad Sarkar.
A big round of applause for Mr. Sarkar. Can we please have you on the stage? And at just the age of 18, deeply inspired by Rabindranath Tagore's vision of rural self-reliance, Ram Prasad Sarkar made a life-changing decision to remain in his community and to work for the upliftment instead of following a conventional career path.
He witnessed the daily struggles of poverty, hunger, and nature's fury and became a constant force for change. From promoting sustainable agriculture to building nutrition gardens and empowering women, his work began reshaping the lives of many.
Well, with no desire for any fame or any personal gain, his journey stands as a powerful reminder of what true grassroots commitments can really achieve on the ground. A big round of applause. Thank you so much.
Many congratulations to you, Mr. Ram Prasad Sarkar. Your life's work shines as a beacon inspiring India's youth to serve with dedication and purpose. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको.
Well, the next category is going to be in the field of animal welfare. In a country which is blessed with extraordinary biodiversity, from lush forests to vibrant wetlands, protecting our wildlife and their habitats has been very vital, Swati, not just for them, but for the very future of all the species, including us.
Absolutely, Meghna. And our next award honors extraordinary contributions to animal welfare. The nominees have been recognized for their tireless work in providing veterinary care, emergency rescue, food and shelter to free roaming and injured animals.
Absolutely. We are going to be taking a look at the nominees, please.
In the category of animal welfare, the nominees are Bhanumitra Acharya. Bhanumitra Acharya, a passionate conservationist for 24 years, has revitalized Simlipal's wildlife through community empowerment and anti-poaching efforts. His remarkable work has transformed lives and significantly increased tiger populations, showcasing his unwavering dedication to protecting nature. Dineshgiri Devagiri Goswami. Dineshgiri Devagiri Goswami, founder of Prakriti Nature Club, dedicates his life to animal welfare and environmental protection. His transformative initiatives have rescued over 850 animals and reduced human-animal conflict by 60%, fostering compassion and harmony across Gujarat and inspiring communities towards a sustainable future. Dr. Tapesh Mathur. Dr. Tapesh Mathur, a trailblazing veterinary surgeon, transformed the lives of amputee animals with his groundbreaking Krishna limb. His visionary work, spanning 22 states and benefiting nearly 500 animals, ignites hopes, empathy, and a profound societal change in animal welfare.
Well, the Times Now Amazing Indians Awards 2025 in this category, the category of animal welfare, goes to Dr. Tapesh Mathur.
Big round of applause, Mr. Mathur. Can we please have you on the stage? Well, he is a veterinarian, he's a surgeon, he specializes in animal husbandry. Now, Dr. Mathur was deeply moved by the suffering of the disabled animals. He knew that once an animal was crippled, the pain often lasted a lifetime for it.
In 2014, he achieved the groundbreaking milestone, successfully designing and fitting India's first ever prosthetic limb for animals under local conditions. He named it the Krishna limb after the calf who was its first recipient.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mathur, and many, many congratulations, Tapesh Mathur, a shining example of compassion in action. But before we move on to our next category, well, we must congratulate the Honorable Minister as well. Today you've had a successful bill being pushed through in the Lok Sabha. The very, very significant sports code bill has been passed in the Lok Sabha. So big round of applause. It's going to go a big way when it comes to ensuring streamlining in the administration of sports. And we wish you all the best. Tomorrow it's going to be coming up in the upper house. So best of luck for that, sir.
Moving on, human rights are the fundamental freedoms guaranteed to every individual under the Indian Constitution, ensuring equality, dignity, and justice for all.
Yet, across the nation, many vulnerable communities continue to face violations of these rights. Legal Aid steps in a lifeline. It has provided free legal support to those who cannot afford it themselves, ensuring that justice is not just a privilege, but a right for everyone.
Together, human rights advocacy and legal aid work hand in hand to build a fairer, more just society. Let's take a look at the nominees for human rights and legal aid.
In the category of human rights and legal aid, the nominees are Ekta Vivek Verma. Driven by her personal experiences, Ekta Vivek Verma founded Invisible Scars Foundation to help domestic violence and abuse survivors. In the last 12 years, a unique remote model has supported thousands in 82 Indian cities and 12 countries, giving them hope and a path to dignity. Triveni Acharya. A champion for the voiceless, Triveni Acharya co-founded Rescue Foundation in 2000, dedicating her life to combating human trafficking. For over 2 decades, she has restored dignity and a future to survivors in Maharashtra and Delhi through rescue and rehabilitation in her 4 shelter homes. Preeti Patkar. Preeti Patkar founded Prerana in 1986 and has since rescued young girls in Mumbai while rehabilitating children of sex workers. In the last year, Preeti's initiatives have supported over 1,500 children and 320 trafficking survivors, providing legal aid and promoting dignity and justice.
And in this category, the human rights and legal aid, this year we have a special announcement. There are two joint winners in this category. The Times Now Amazing Indians Awards 2025 for human rights and legal aid goes to Ekta Vivek Verma and Triveni Acharya.
There we have the two ladies. Can we have you on the stage? Many, many congratulations. Well, until 2012, Ekta Vivek Verma worked in the corporate sector. In 2013, she joined her in-laws NGO, Samvad Advocacy, while she was raising her two daughters. Her experience in the development sector deepened through volunteering with other NGOs as well.
And after facing emotional abuse and a health crisis in 2016, she started a Facebook support group for survivors. By 2017, people were reaching out for help. In 2023, she founded the Invisible Scars Foundation.
Well, this of course was dedicated towards supporting survivors of domestic abuse through survivor awareness as well as advocacy. In fact, our second winner, you have her on the stage as well, Triveni Acharya. Well, she began her career as a journalist. A story assignment took her to Mumbai's red light districts, where she came face to face with the brutal realities of human trafficking.
Congratulations to our winners, to both Ekta Vivek Verma and Triveni Acharya. Your courage and dedication have changed countless lives.
Well, many congratulations to both the ladies for your courage and your determination, which literally has been building the India that we dream of.
I would also like to thank Srimati Nirja Birla for felicitating our winners.